The burn, the tightness, the dreaded post-workout soreness, it's a familiar feeling for anyone who pushes their limits at the gym. But sore muscles, while uncomfortable, are a sign your body is adapting and getting stronger. This guide, Working Out Sore Muscles, delves deep into the world of workout-induced soreness, equipping you with the knowledge and strategies to tackle it effectively. Watch this video, Working Out Sore Muscles, till the end so you will gain a lot of knowledge. Understanding soreness, delayed onset muscle soreness versus injury. Not all soreness is created equal. It's crucial to differentiate between delayed onset muscle soreness and a potential injury. Delayed onset muscle soreness, this is the good kind of soreness. A normal response to exercise that typically sets in 24 to 72 hours after a new or intense workout. It's caused by microscopic tears in the muscle fibers, as well as inflammation triggered by the body's repair process. Delayed onset muscle soreness usually resolves within a few days. Injury pain that is sharp, persistent, localized or accompanied by swelling, bruising, or fever could indicate an injury. If soreness persists beyond a week, worsens with movement or disrupts your daily activities, consult a healthcare professional. The science behind delayed onset muscle soreness. Several factors contribute to delayed onset muscle soreness. Microscopic tears. During exercise, especially eccentric contractions, lengthening of a muscle under tension, tiny tears occur in muscle fibers. This stimulates the body's repair process, leading to muscle growth and adaptation. Metabolic stress. Intense exercise leads to the buildup of lactic acid, a byproduct of energy production. While lactic acid itself doesn't cause soreness, it can contribute to the acidic environment within the muscle, triggering inflammation and discomfort. Inflammatory response. The body sends white blood cells to the damaged area to begin repairs. This inflammatory response can lead to swelling and tenderness. Strategies to minimize delayed onset muscle soreness. While delayed onset muscle soreness is inevitable, there are ways to minimize its severity and duration. Progressive overload. Start slow and gradually increase intensity, duration, or frequency of workouts to allow your body to adapt. Proper warm-up and cool-down. A dynamic warm-up increases blood flow and prepares muscles for activity. A static cool-down with stretches helps remove waste products and improve flexibility. Hydration. Dehydration can exacerbate muscle soreness. Aim to drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workout. Electrolytes. Electrolytes like sodium and potassium play a role in muscle function and nerve transmission. Replenish them with electrolyte-rich drinks or foods during extended workouts. Post-workout nutrition. Consume protein within 30 minutes of your workout to aid muscle repair. Aim for 0.3 to 0.5 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Carbs help replenish glycogen stores essential for muscle function and recovery. Fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats also provide essential nutrients. Active recovery. Light activity like walking, yoga, or swimming can improve blood flow and reduce stiffness. Sleep. Adequate sleep, 7 to 8 hours per night, is crucial for muscle repair and overall recovery. Stretching is often touted as a cure-all for delayed onset muscle soreness, but the evidence is actually mixed. While it may not directly reduce soreness, gentle static stretching after a workout or during active recovery can help improve flexibility and range of motion. Focus on major muscle groups that were worked during your workout. Hold each stretch for 20 to 30 seconds, feeling a gentle pull, not pain. Massage therapy can improve blood flow, reduce muscle tension, and promote relaxation, potentially aiding in recovery from delayed onset muscle soreness. Techniques like Swedish massage or sports massage can be beneficial. Self-Myofascial release involves applying pressure to trigger points, those tight knots in muscles, with tools like foam rollers or massage balls. This can help break down adhesions and improve flexibility, potentially reducing soreness. Supplements for delayed onset muscle soreness can play a role in your recovery strategy. Several supplements have been studied for their potential impact. Creatine, a naturally occurring compound, helps replenish energy stores in muscles, and research suggests it may reduce the severity of delayed onset muscle soreness. Tart cherry juice, which is high in antioxidants with anti-inflammatory properties, has shown mixed results in studies on its effectiveness. Lastly, fish oil contains omega-3 fatty acids, also known for their anti-inflammatory properties. While more research is needed, it may offer some benefit for delayed-onset muscle soreness. Preventing future soreness is all about incorporating the strategies we've discussed into your training routine. By doing so, you can gradually reduce the severity and duration of delayed-onset muscle soreness as your body adapts to exercise. Remember, consistency with a well-rounded workout program is key. Here are some additional tips for preventing future soreness. Addressing persistent soreness can be crucial if you experience soreness that interferes with your daily activities or worsens with movement. It's important to consult a healthcare professional. They can rule out any underlying injuries and recommend appropriate treatment options. Additionally, if you have any chronic conditions that might increase susceptibility to muscle soreness, speak with your doctor. Also, some medications can contribute to muscle pain or weakness, so discuss any potential side effects with your doctor. Lastly, deficiencies in certain vitamins or minerals like magnesium or vitamin D can contribute to muscle soreness. Consider getting a blood test to check for any deficiencies. Conclusion: working out sore muscles is a part of the fitness journey. By understanding the science behind delayed-onset muscle soreness and implementing the strategies outlined above, you can minimize discomfort, accelerate recovery, and keep yourself on track to achieve your fitness goals. Remember, consistency, proper technique, and listening to your body are key components of a successful and enjoyable workout routine. So, embrace the burn, manage the soreness smartly, and keep pushing yourself towards a stronger, fitter you.